You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce this word, which is quite common in French. This is a little bit different from a jour. A jour is just a day in French. This is more like daytime. So this is a day, but more specifically, a little more specifically, the time between the sunrise and the sunset. So if it takes you an entire day, but not 24 hours or not from the really morning to late at night, just the day, like a working day, this is called a journée. The pronunciation in French, jour, which jour is just a day. Journée is that specific period of time between sunrise and sunset. Journée. Or in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say journée. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.